Google's newest phone, the Pixel 8a, continues their S series, offering a semi-affordable version of last year's Pixel. Typically, the S series arrives mid-year, keeping Pixel phones relevant and boosting Google's sales before their high-end models drop. This year, however, the Pixel 8a feels different, as the upcoming Pixel 9 is rumored to shake up Google's lineup. After using the Pixel 8a intermittently for several weeks, it's clear that the phone does a lot right, but the imminent Pixel 9 has been on my mind throughout testing. With rumors suggesting a redesigned Pixel 9 with 3 tiers, the Pixel 8a might soon feel outdated. What's good about the Pixel 8a? Size. The Pixel 8a is compact and comfortable to hold, fitting easily in one hand and most pockets. Its smooth edges and matte finish make it easy to use without a case. Display. The 6.1 OLED display is bright, colorful, and responsive, with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Off-angle color shifts and low indoor brightness are noticeable drawbacks, but overall, it's a solid display for the price. Performance. The Tensor G3 chip, 8GB RAM, and 120 Hz screen make for a snappy experience. It handles most tasks well, though it doesn't match high-end Snapdragon chips. Google's optimization of Android on Pixel phones ensures smooth performance, even during heavy usage. Software and support. Google offers 7 years of OS and security updates, matching the support for its premium models. The software experience is clean, intuitive, and packed with useful AI features, making it a standout among Android phones. Battery life. The 4500 mAh battery lasts a full day, with typical usage leaving about 30% by evening. The 18W charging is slow but sufficient for top-ups, and wireless charging adds convenience. Camera. Despite using last year's hardware, the camera performs well in everyday shots, with features like night sight and portrait mode. You've got the same 64MP main and 13MP ultra-wide shooters from the Pixel Savina, as well as optical and electronic image stabilization in the main lens. You have Super Res zoom support up to 8x2, as well as a camera that loads, focuses, and snaps with the best of them. It's not as versatile as the Pixel 8 Pro, but it's reliable and capable for most users. What don't I love? Price and discounts. The Pixel 8a is priced at $500, which isn't bad, but with Google's frequent discounts, it's smart to wait for a sale. This phone will likely drop to $399 or $349 before long, making it a better value. Should you buy a Pixel 8a? The Pixel 8a is a solid mid-range phone with good specs, excellent software, and a capable camera. It's easy to recommend, but with regular discounts and the Pixel 9 on the horizon, it might be worth waiting for a better deal or the next model.